Kit Email Marketing Tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through step by step how to use Kit for email marketing as a beginner. I'll be showing you how to create a landing page, how to create a newsletter, and also how to send that newsletter and automate the entire process. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description, which you can use to sign up and follow along. Now, once on kit.com, you're going to tap on Start Free Trial. From there, you'll be able to sign up with your email address. After you have signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. In case you already have a subscriber list, you'll be able to upload that list. So you can tap on Add Subscriber, and from here you can tap on Import CSV, and you'll be able to import your CSV file. If it is a case that you would like to add one subscriber, you can add the subscriber right there. After you have done that, you're going to go over to the top left-hand corner. And if you're brand new to email marketing and you don't have a list, all you need to do is simply tap right where you see Grow. Then you're going to tap on Landing Pages and Form. And this is how you'll be able to collect person's email address. You have two options. If you don't have a website already, you're going to need to create a landing page. If you already have a website and you just want a subscription form, you can simply tap on Forms and you'll be able to create that. For this example, I'm going to be creating a landing page. So we're going to tap on Create a Landing Page. After you have selected Create a Landing Page, you'll be redirected to this page, and you have numerous templates that you can choose from. Let's say, for example, I were to select this template. So we'll tap on Choose. After you have selected Choose, you'll be redirected to the editor page, and you can quickly customize it. So you can tap on whichever section and customize it. And you can scroll down, and from here you could change the text if you want. You could change the button color and so on. If you like to also add another section to the form, you can do that by tapping on the plus. For example, we could select first name, and then after doing that, you could drag and place it at the top. So we could do that also. Once everything is to your liking, you will tap on Save and Publish. And just like that, you now have your website live. After you have set up your website, what I want you to do next is, and by the way, you can further customize it by tapping on Settings. You can see different options as you can see right here. So when you tap on Settings, you have two things that I want you to pay attention to. If it is a case that, for example, you're offering a free ebook just like this, what I would recommend you do once you tap on Settings, you can paste in the link that you would like to redirect persons to by tapping on Redirect to External Page. So you could upload the ebook to, for example, Google Drive, and you could put the link right here. So once they subscribe, they'll automatically be redirected to that page on which they'll be able to download the ebook. Or you could simply tap on Show Success Message, and you could put the link right here saying download here, and you could put in the link. So you have different options. Now that you have created your landing page and you'll be able to collect person's email, let me show you how to create a newsletter. To create a newsletter, you will tap on Send in the top left hand corner, and you're going to select Broadcast. Once you have selected Broadcast, I'll select OK, and from here you can tap on New Broadcast, and you can choose one of the templates. So you have different templates that you can select from. Let's say we were to select this template right here. After selecting the template, you can quickly edit the template. So you can put in subject line. Once you have done that, you could tap on Generate, and the AI will suggest different subject lines that you can use. And you can scroll down and you can quickly customize it to your liking. I won't draw out a process, but you can quickly customize it. Once you're finished customizing it, you'll simply tap on Continue. Once you have tapped on Continue, from here you could select Send Email, and then you'll be able to scroll down and you could choose to send it now to all of your subscribers. So once someone subscribes, they'll automatically receive your newsletter. Another thing that you could also do, let's say you would like to automate the entire process, and instead of sending a single email, you would like to send follow-up emails to get a particular result. So for example, you could tap on Send. After you have selected Send, you could select Sequence. Once you have selected Sequence, you'll be redirected to this page, and you're just going to tap on New Sequence. After you have selected New Sequence, from here you can select the first template that you like to use. So let's say, for example, this template, and you could add in the subject line right here, and then you could select, for example, I'm just going to remove that, so it will be published. It will be sent immediately, and you'll be able to edit this email. So you can edit the email. After you're finished doing that, you will tap on Emails right here, and then you can tap on Add Email, and you could add a follow-up email that you like to send. and you can choose when you would like to send that. So for example, if you like to send it a day after, you can do that. And you can also tap on add email, and you'll be able to add multiple emails just like that. Once you're finished and everything is to your liking, you can simply tap on publish, and just like that, it will be published and live. Another thing that you could also do is you can tap on settings right here. After you have tapped on settings, you can choose the days that you would like it to be published, and you can see how the sequence looks right there. So once someone subscribes, they'll automatically be added to this sequence. You could also add different automations, so you could tap on automate, and you could select visual automation. After you have selected visual automation, you'll be able to create automations that welcomes a subscriber or follow up after a purchase by simply tapping on new automation. Once you have selected new automation, we're just going to tap on start from scratch. But there are different templates that you could choose from. Let's say we were to tap on start building. After selecting start building, you have different options. If you were to create a digital product on Kit, you could select product purchase, or you can select joins form. Then you can select the form that you have created, or you could create a new form. Then you will tap on add event. So once they have joined the form, you will tap on the plus. Then you can choose what you would like to happen next. If it is a case that you would like to send email sequence, you can do that. You can tap on email sequence right there. Then you can select the sequence that you have created. So we can select the sequence right there, and we'll tap on add action. After you have done that, you will tap on the plus once more. And from there, you could add conditions. So what you would like to happen based on what the subscriber has done. Or you can send more emails, or you could tap on delay. And let's say, for example, you like to add in a one day delay, you can do that. Then you could tap on the plus, and you could send a follow-up email if you want. Once you're finished, you'll simply toggle on active. And just like that, you have now automated the entire process. When it comes on the Kit, while you can get started for completely free with the newsletter option until you have 10,000 subscribers, to get full access to, for example, the visual automation that I had used, you'll need to go onto their creator plan. And the creator plan starts off at $39 per month, and it can go up to $79 per month. So is Kit worth it? I would definitely recommend Kit if you're brand new to email marketing, or if you have a small subscriber list, or better yet, average subscriber list. As you can see right here, when it comes on the newsletter, you can use it for completely free to up to 10,000 subscribers. And their creator plan, you can use it up to 1,000 subscribers. Once you go over 1,000 subscribers, you'll need to go onto a more expensive plan. So you can simply pull the slider along right here, and you can adjust the amount of subscribers that you have, and you can see that the pricing will increase. Again, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description, which you can use to sign up. Thanks for watching.